everyone, for today's video I will be teaching you how you can change the message color on your iPhone. When you open messages on your iPhone, you'll see that the text box is usually blue when you're using iMessage. However, if you're not using iMessage, the text box is usually color green. Well, there's no direct way to change the color of the text box. You can add other animations for you to make a more creative message. You can do this by long pressing the send icon, and here you'll see different effects. For bubble, there are slam, loud, send with circle, and many more. You can also try other options under screen, which includes spotlight, balloon, love, and many more. Now, this only adds an effect on the message that you will send, but will not completely change the color of the text box. So if you're looking for a way to completely change the color of the text box, what you have to do is download an app by opening App Store. On the search tab, simply search for color text. You'll see different results, but this app is one that I can suggest. As you can see, by using this app, you can add a background on the message that you will send using messages on your iPhone. The background can be a plain color or even an artwork, which makes your messages more unique and more personalized. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.